Hello everyone, I am Omafodeke and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'll be teaching you a very simple technique that can be used to create a vector image of the mouth. First, using the pen tool, we'll draw the outline of the inner mouth. Next, from the left sidebar, go to the contour and create a contour around your shape, adjusting the contour offset to the size of your choice. You can find this option at the top right part of your screen. Here in this video I adjusted mine to a figure of 0.03. After that, press Ctrl key to break off the shapes. Next, draw corresponding shapes around the target area, in this case being the teeth, tongue and the gum. Although some images might not have this inner mouth in them, they all follow the same simple technique. For beginners, I advise you not to worry yourself about speed when vectorizing images. Try as much as you can to work on your precision, because your precision greatly affects the end result of your work. Do your best to get as much detail as you can before working on your speed. Draw corresponding shapes around the upper teeth and the lower teeth. Do your best to be as precise and accurate as you can while doing this. Don't forget that accuracy over speed. Try as much as you can to be accurate whenever you're vectorizing any image. Group the shapes together and intersect them with the inner contour of the shape you drew earlier. Separate the teeth by drawing shapes in between the individual teeth. Do this for both the upper and lower teeth. When you're done with the separation of the teeth, group and intersect them with the shape of the teeth. drawing corresponding shapes around the target area for both the dark and the light shades. Intersect the dark shades with the inner contour of the inner mouth and the light shades with the dark shades, and respectively add your fill colors. Repeat the process for the tongue. Draw the overall shape, then the dark shade and the light shade of the tongue, intersecting them with the overall shape. Also add your fill colors. Don't forget, draw the overall shape, the darker shade and the light shade, intersecting them with the overall shape of the tongue. Next is time to add depth to our inner mouth. Draw a shape around the tongue, placing it in front of the tongue, and draw shapes on both sides of the inner mouth. Group and intersect them with the outer part of the contoured inner mouth. Use the transparency tool from the left sidebar to create the depth of the inner mouth to your taste. Now we are done with the inner mouth, and it's time for the outer mouth or the lip. Draw the overall corresponding shape. Make sure to take accuracy into account as you draw the lip. Move it to the front of the image you're drawing. Draw the darkest part of the lip around the inner mouth. Draw the light part of the upper and lower lip, adding an extra layer to the lower lip. After adding your colors, smooth the colors out with the transparency tool. And that should be all. There you have it, guys, how to create the vector image of the mouth. Support the channel by leaving a like and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for more tutorial videos such as this. Also, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye until the next time.